pad stop. 5 little frogs sat on a log. Green and shiny, ribbit, ribbit frog. One jumped high into the pond so blue. Splash went the water, now there are jump, 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 so high. Little frogs can touch the sky. Hop and splash, one by one. Counting frogs is so much fun. 4 little frogs sitting in the sun. Croak, 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 having lots of fun. One jumped off with a happy cheer. Splash in the pond, now there are 3 little frogs on a lily pad bright, dancing and singing with all their might. One jumped away with a big whee. Splash in the pond, now there are 2 little frogs saying ribbit hello, rocking and hopping to and fro. One jumped in the water, having some fun. Splash in the pond, now there is 1 little frog feeling brave and strong, singing his favorite froggy song. He jumped into the pond with a happy run. Splash in the water, now there are none. Wait, what's that? Look and see. The frogs come back. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, they're back to play. 5 little frogs say hip hop hooray! Great job, kids, you sang so well. Clap your hands and ring the bell. See you soon, bye bye friends. The froggy song has reached the end.